Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to read deleted messages on Snapchat. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up the Snapchat app. Now, once you're in here, just go to your Bitmoji right here at the top left, tap on it. Now, go ahead and go to the top right and tap on the gear icon. Now, in here, what you're going to do is just scroll all the way down, okay? All the way down until you find the logout button. And here, as you can see at the top, we have My Data. Okay, just tap on My Data, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, just make sure that you include chat history right here. Enable it, and if you want to include other stuff like Spotlight, support history, something like that, other medias, you can go ahead and do so. Okay, and if you want to as well, you got to export chat media. Okay, just like so. And then once done, go ahead and tap on Next and choose a date range right here and confirm what email. So date range could be all time, or last 2 years, last year, last month, or last week. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and choose last week right here and confirm the email address where the data will be sent. Okay, and once that's done, just tap on submit. And here it says you now have your export. Okay, it says in progress. Just basically wait for it. You're gonna want to check it out right here or under your email. Okay. And once you have received the email, you can just go ahead and tap on it, download it, and review the messages. And that is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.